Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review, including those for Lendio and related resources, are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using Lendio. Lendio is a valuable online marketplace for small business loans, connecting entrepreneurs with a diverse network of over 75 lenders. This platform streamlines the often complex loan application process, making it ideal for business owners who want to compare multiple loan offers without the tedious task of applying to each lender separately. One of Lendio's key strengths is its comprehensive loan marketplace. Whether you need a term loan, a flexible line of credit, equipment financing, an SBA loan, or even a merchant cash advance, Lendio offers access to a wide array of funding solutions specifically tailored to your individual business requirements. This adaptability makes Lendio a great option for startups, established businesses, and even first-time entrepreneurs seeking initial funding. The application process itself is designed for speed and user-friendliness. By completing a single online application, you can receive multiple loan offers, often within just 24 hours. This eliminates the back and forth of applying to individual lenders, allowing you to efficiently compare crucial factors like interest rates, repayment terms, and loan amounts side by side. This is a significant time saver for busy entrepreneurs. Lendio also provides personalized support through a dedicated funding manager. After submitting your application, you'll be connected with a funding manager who will guide you through the various loan offers, clarify the terms and conditions, and answer any questions you might have. This personalized assistance ensures you're equipped to select the loan that best aligns with your specific circumstances. Lendio is particularly well-suited for small businesses with varied financing needs, catering to a broad spectrum of credit profiles and industries. Whether you're a startup with limited credit history or a well-established company seeking to expand, Lendio offers financing solutions for virtually every business type. It's important to remember that Lendio operates as a marketplace, meaning the interest rates and terms are ultimately determined by the individual lender you choose. Some loans may have higher associated costs or shorter repayment periods, so careful evaluation of each offer is crucial. In summary, Lendio provides an efficient and user-friendly platform for business owners seeking a streamlined way to compare loan offers from multiple lenders in a single location. Its diverse funding options, personalized support, and ease of use make it a leading choice for securing the necessary capital to fuel your business growth. Be sure to check the links in the description to explore Lendio further and determine if it's the right solution for your financial objectives. This review is intended to help you assess if Lendio aligns with your specific business needs and financial goals.